What's up, guys? Welcome back to NTLP. My name is Nick, and this is the place to be for everything landscape photography. So just a quick channel update here, you guys. So starting March 1st, every Monday from then on, a new video will be released. There'll probably be the odd occasion where I'll sprinkle some other videos throughout the week and whatnot, but I feel like my video, the standards of my video are here when they should be up here. So I think I kind of jumped the gun a little bit by posting 2 videos a week, plus going out and photographing, plus website updates, plus. So I think the quality of my videos has kind of has kind of gone down a little bit. So to rectify that and to correct it, starting March 1st, it's going to be 1 video a week every Monday. I think a week between videos, it'll give me a lot more time to do more research, get better content, i.e. B-roll, scripting. I think 1 video a week is that sweet spot. And like I said, I mean, I'll probably sprinkle a little bit of other videos during the week, not every week. And 2, it's gonna help me for not to be burnt out. YouTube burnout is real. Absolutely. Trying to think of content, and especially if you're doing like 2, 3, 4 videos a week, and then recording, editing, and then uploading, and then analyzing your analytics, and oh man, YouTube burnout is a thing for sure. So I'm just gonna take a little step back here, pump out better quality videos, I guess, and because you guys deserve that. Absolutely, all of you deserve that. You deserve the best, top-notch quality videos on landscape photography. So that's the plan moving forward. That's the plan, Stan. All right, guys, I'm going to leave it at that. If you're new here, welcome. Maybe go down there, hit that little subscribe button. It's just the that little red button underneath the video here. It says subscribe. And when you're done doing that, maybe hit that like, share, and bell notification. It'll let you know when I upload my next video, which is now every Monday starting March 1st. All right, and follow me on social media, Instagram, Facebook, Twitter, all that good stuff. Links are in the description below. So we'll see you guys next week, March 1st, 2021. Let's do that. See you then. Peace.